11th problem, find lambda in order that the 4 points A, B, C and D be coplanar. What is the relation of the coplanar? If A, B, C and D are coplanar, so the volume of AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. Find out the AB, that is equal to OB minus OA equal to 4 comma lambda comma 5 minus 3 comma 2 comma 1 equal to 4 minus 3 is 1, lambda minus 2, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. AC equal to OC minus OA equal to C is 4 comma 2 comma minus 2. A is 4 comma lambda comma 5 is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus lambda minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. AD equal to OD minus OA equal to 6, 5 minus 1 minus 4. Sorry. B is, A is 3, 2, 1. Here also A is 3, 2, 1 equal to 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 1 minus 2. Now we can take the volume of AB, AC, AD equal to 0. Then its determinant 1, lambda minus 2, 4, 1, 0, minus 3, 3, 3, minus 2 equal to 0. Find out the determinant. 1 into 0 minus into minus plus 3, 3 is a 9. Minus of lambda minus 2. Minus 2 minus into minus plus 9. Plus 4 into 3 1 is 3 minus 0 equal to 0. Here 9 minus of lambda minus 2 into 7 plus 12 equal to 0. 9 plus 12 is 21 is equal to lambda minus 2 into 7. From this, lambda minus 2 is equal to 21 by 7. 7 1s are 7 3s are. Lambda equal to 3 plus 2. Lambda equal to 5. This is the procedure how we can find out the lambda value from the given 4 points. 12th problem. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of planes r dot 2i plus 2j minus 3k equal to 7 and another plane r dot 2i plus 5j plus 3k equal to 9 and through the point. Intersection means if we know a vector and b vector are the two vectors, what we can get or what we require the vector equation passing through these two planes means we can take a vector plus lambda b vector is equal to 0. From that relation, we can find out the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes. So first of all, what they have given, we can take first the let position vector r vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk. And they have given the relation given that r dot 2i plus 2j minus 3k equal to 7 and r dot 2i plus 5j plus 3k equal to 9. This r equal to xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i plus 2j minus 3k equal to 7, I dot I equal to 1, 2x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 7 and xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i plus 5j plus 3k equal to 9. Then the another one is 2x plus 5y plus 3z is equal to 9. Since I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k equal to 1, the opposite unit vectors dot product is 0. From this, 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 equal to 0 is the equation 1, and 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equal to 0 is the second equation. The vector equation of the plane passing through equation 1 and 2 and also point 2, 1, 3. So it is 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 plus lambda into 3x plus 5y, 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 is equal to 0. So here substitute the point 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 3 minus 7 plus lambda into 2 into 2 plus 5 into 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 9 equal to 0. After the simplification, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 minus 3 3 is 9 minus 6 minus 16 plus lambda into 2 to the 4 plus 9 minus 9 cancel. 4 plus 5 is 9 is equal to 0. Here minus 8 plus 9 lambda equal to 0. From this 9 lambda equal to 2 to the 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 only. 6 only it is. It's a minus 10. Then it is plus 10. Lambda equal to 10 by 9. Lambda value substitute. Lambda value substitute in equation 3. 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 plus 10 by 9 into 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equal to 0. By the cross multiplication, 9 into 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 plus 10 into 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equal to 0. 18x plus 18y minus 27z minus 63 plus 20x plus 50y plus 30z minus 90 equal to 0. 38x plus 68y plus 3z minus 153 equal to 0. This is the required plane equation. Therefore, the vector equation is r dot 38i plus 68j plus 3k equal to 153. Find the equation of the plane passing through A comma B comma C and parallel to the plane r vector dot I plus j plus k equal to 2. First, we can take what is the Cartesian form. The Cartesian form is in general x. The position vector, the same case, r vector is equal to let xi plus yj plus zk. We can say that on. Then r vector dot I plus j plus k is equal to 2. Then we can substitute xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus j plus k equal to 2. We know that I dot I equal to 1, x plus y plus z is equal to 2. So here, this is the equation. What we can find? Equation of the plane passing through ABC and parallel to the plane, this one. If we want the parallel of this plane, this is the equation 1. What we want require? Equation of the plane passing through A comma B comma C parallel to x plus y plus z or parallel to equation 1. Let it be. Parallel means coefficients of x, y, z are same, just the difference of the parallel line is constants are different. So here, this is the required equation. It passes through A comma B comma C. So in the place of x A, y is B, z is C is equal to k. This k value substitute in equation 1. K value substitute in equation 1. Then we get the required equation, that is x plus y plus z equal to A plus B plus C, which is the parallel to the R vector dot I plus j plus k equal to 2. So it can be written as the required equation is equation of the plane is R vector dot I plus j plus k is equal to A plus B plus C. Fourteenth one, find the shortest distance. The shortest distance is important problem. It is very, very important for our higher education also. Find the shortest distance between the lines. R vector is equal to A plus lambda B and R vector equal to C plus mu D. If the vectors are in that form, then the shortest distance between two vectors equal to AC B D volume determinant by modulus of B cross D. That is nothing but here we can take it as A vector is equal to 6i plus 2j plus 2k. B vector equal to I minus 2j plus 2k. C is equal to minus 4i minus k and D equal to 3i minus 2j minus 2k. Next to find out the AC vector, that is equal to C minus A. So here subtract 4i minus k minus 6i minus 2j minus 2k. It is equal to minus 4i minus 6i is minus 10i minus 2j minus 3k. Then first find out the volume of ACBD is equal to determinant minus 10 minus 2 minus 3. B is 1 minus 2 2. C is minus 4 0. Sorry, not C, it is D. D is 3 minus 2 minus 2. Find out the determinant minus 10. 2 to the 4 plus 4 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. It is equal to minus 10 into 8 plus 2 into minus 8 minus 3 into 4. equal to minus 80 minus 16 minus 12 equal to minus 108. So next we can find out the B cross D, that is equal to determinant I, J, K, B is 1 minus 2, 2, D is 3 minus 2 minus 2 equal to I into 4 plus 4 minus J into minus 2 minus 6 plus K into minus 2 plus 6 equal to 8I plus 8J plus 4K. Find out the determinant, that is shortest distance between two vectors equal to modulus of AC, B, D by determinant of B cross D. It is equal to modulus of 108 minus by modulus means under root of 8 square plus 8 square plus 4 square. It is equal to 108 by 64 plus 64, 16. It's a 14, 12, 144, it's 12. 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 7s are 3 1s are 3 9s are 9 units is the shortest distance between the given two vectors. It's very important. It is similar to 12th problem. Same, you can take R vector is equal to position vector xi plus yj plus zk. And substitute here, you are getting the one plane equation, that is x plus y plus z minus 1 is the one plane equation, and substitute here and simplify. 2x plus 3y minus z plus 4 equal to 0. It is the second equation. And parallel to x-axis means we can take the first equation plus lambda into second equation is equal to 0. When it is x-axis means coordinate of x coefficient is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. That is nothing but the coefficient of x is equal to 0, then it is parallel to x-axis. So what we have here, coefficient 1 plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. From this you can get the lambda equal to minus 1 by 2. It can be substitute in this equation. You are getting the plane equation with the x, y, z. Then again you can write it as r vector dot. What are the coefficients you are getting? You write. That is the fifth problem. Next, sixth problem is also homework. So what is the sixth problem? Prove that the 4 points A, B, C and D are coplanar. What is the relation of the coplanar? Volume of AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. When we can show this relation, then the 4 points are coplanar points. You do 16th also homework. In the 17th, if A comma B comma C are non-coplanar, these are non-coplanar, then show that the vectors A minus B, B plus C, C plus A are coplanar. It is also similar to previous problem. What we have the relation means, we know that ABC are non-coplanar means volume of ABC is not equal to 0. Then we can show that these vectors means we can take A vector equal to A minus B, B vector equal to B plus C, C vector equal to C plus A. That is nothing but volume of ABC or A minus B, B plus C, C plus A, it can be written as determinant 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 to volume of ABC. Find out the determinant 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 1. It is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 with ABC. It is 1 minus 1 of ABC. It is equal to 0. So, this should be coplanar. That is the relation. Next, 18th one. 18th one, if A comma B comma C are the position vectors of the points capital A comma B and C respectively, then prove that the vector A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A is perpendicular to the plane of triangle ABC. Solution. Here we can take the triangle. A is the A vector, B is the B vector, C is the C vector. Here small a, b, c are the position vectors of the points capital A, capital B and capital C respectively. That is nothing but let OA vector equal to A vector, OB vector equal to B vector and OC vector equal to small c vector. Next we can find out the sides, that is AB is equal to OB minus OA, it is equal to B minus A. BC equal to OC minus OB, that is equal to C minus B, and AC is equal to OC minus OA, it is equal to C minus A. Here we can prove that vector A cross B, B cross C plus C cross A is perpendicular to the vector plane triangle ABC. That is nothing but the vector perpendicular to the plane triangle ABC is AB cross AC. That is the relation. Here we can take the perpendicular plane to the triangle ABC is AB cross AC, means that is equal to B minus A cross C minus A. Now we can take the cross product. B vector cross C vector minus B vector cross A vector minus A vector cross C vector plus A vector cross A vector. Here this A vector cross A vector should be 0. It is equal to B vector cross C vector and interchange of the cross product, that is plus A vector cross B vector plus C vector cross A vector. Since we know that A cross A is equal to 0, A cross B equal to minus B cross A, C cross A is equal to minus A cross C. Substitute here, it is the what they are asking, the relation, the same thing. Therefore, A vector cross B vector plus B vector cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector is perpendicular to the triangle ABC. It is the solution of the last problem in the second bit.